US Secretary of State Mike Pompeo has arrived in the UK to urge London to rethink its decision regarding China's Huawei. The US is concerned that the UK's 5G decision will give China the upper hand in a technological race of the 21st century. Pompeo will discuss London's decision to ignore Washington's warnings by giving Huawei a limited but leading role in 5G networks. Earlier, Pompeo said American information should only pass through trusted networks. A post-Brexit trade deal between London and Washington is also on the agenda. But domestic pressures on UK PM Boris Johnson to stand up to Washington may complicate any prospective deal.